I got a big box in. And what Blue's Clues say? I wonder who it's from. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. It's big as shit. It's almost as tall as me. You know what I'm saying? I ain't that tall, so it really don't take much to be taller than me. But, y'all get the point. It's big. B-I-G, Big E. You know what I'm saying? So, let's get into it. I'm excited, y'all. Y'all, I'm so excited. Do y'all know yet? If y'all know, let me know before I open it. Do you know? Do you really know? I don't think y'all know. So let's get into it. You see it. Legos. Let me pull the chair up. Legos. Right here. Y'all see it, right? I love the box. I love the box. Box sexy. Box is sexy. Sexy Dexy. Let's get into it. Whew. Presentation. I love the presentation. Love it. Let's get into that part at first. Hold on. We got the card right here. Let's see what this says. We got the Crocs times Legos. Y'all already know now. The cat is out the bag. Is that a poster? It's telling me how to do it? It's instructions on how to put the shoe on. That's how you know that shit is legit. Like, that shit is crazy. If you got instructions to put a shoe on, that shit ain't something, you know what I'm saying? That's not something basic, you know what I'm saying? That's something crazy. And we got the Lego. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got the Lego set to build it. I gotta give it to my son. My son love Legos right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to Legoland soon, so we finna wear this at Legoland. Cause fuck it, why not? Would they let me on rides? I don't know if they gonna let me on rides. Shit, damn, this shit is kind of heavy too. So I got the big red boots. I don't know if y'all can see them right there. I'll show y'all in a minute. Y'all know how they look. I got pictures on my IG. Y'all know how they look. They're kind of heavy, but they're sturdy. They're sturdy as fuck, like that hard ass plastic. Not like them Crocs that y'all be wearing. Throw them shits away. Them shits is bitch, crusty, dusty, musty. Take them the fuck in the trash, bro. Why are y'all still wearing them? These ain't that. You feel me? They kind of heavy. Not gonna lie. They're kind of heavy. I feel like they're going to be a little hard to walk. I don't know if I'm going to wear them Legoland. I might wear them Legoland just to take pictures. But to actually ride the rides, that's a little too much. I don't know. But I like it. I like it. It's hard plastic. You know what I'm saying? I like it. I could probably beat a bitch up in these. You know what I'm saying? Kick a bitch she out for a good night. I love it though. I love it. These shits is fire, bro. These shits is something. You know what I'm saying? I got them. What did I get them on? The fucking Lego app. Did I? No, the Crocs app. You know what I'm saying? I seen them. When they said it was going to drop, I had to. I love that different shit. Y'all see it? I love different shit, bro. I got the black ones over here. I try to get the yellow ones. Ain't caught, but I just love different shit. I'm not liking shit that you're going to see everybody else in. Because even if you do see everybody else in, they ain't going to wear it like me. That's all I'm going to say. You get what I'm saying? But I'm super happy, y'all. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Y'all ready to see me style them? Coming very soon. Very soon. Very, very soon. I'm going to show you. I don't know if I'm going to show y'all on feet right now. Well, I don't know. Stay tuned to the end of the video. And y'all see if I'm going to put y'all on feet right now and show you. Because I don't know yet. I might want it to be a surprise. We're going to see. You know what I'm saying? But shits look nice. Let me see if they fit good. Let's see. Do they fit good? Are they comfortable? How do you know which one is right and left, bro? I can't be slow. Or am I? I don't know. I don't think it's a right and left. I don't think it's... I feel like if I show my son these, I'm going to let y'all get my son reaction. Because if I show y'all these, he going to be like, Mommy, buy me some. If they had your size, baby, I would have. Tell me what you think about these shoes.
What are your shoes for those?
Mine, how do you feel about them?
These are so cool. Where do you get these Lego shoes from?
Lego stuff. Yeah, these ain't some shit you gonna wear to Legoland and ride rides in. It just ain't. It ain't that. You can't do that in. But I fuck with them. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? They don't have right and left, so I'm assuming they just fit all. Size fit. Whatever. You got two left foot, you got it. I don't know, but I'm fucking with them. I'm fucking with them. Y'all gonna see it in a minute though. But stay tuned.